To be an aluminium welding champ, you need a lightweight wire that punches above its weight. When supporting high-end industries, your every weld must promise reliability, precision, and the highest possible uptime. Those robots working 24/7 need to be fed, and it's up to you to keep them busy. When helping other industry segments out, you need to ensure the finest seams with a minimum of porosity. Also, you might operate in cramped areas where only skilled welders and the best wire are up to the task. In short, aluminium is one of the trickiest materials to weld. And ESAB is famous for delivering the consistent, supreme quality needed. But guess what? Our offer just got a lot better. From now on, we will deliver our aluminium wire from the heart of Europe. By moving our production to Bamberg, Europe's largest facility for making filler materials, you can expect quicker and safer deliveries, plus a shorter supply chain. Now that's good news for your reliability, productivity, and profitability. Also, you can trust every product to have the outstanding ESAB quality you are used to, which makes choosing ESAB easy if you want to be the undisputed aluminium welding champ. Now that's what we call punching above one's weight.